Okay, I've already had this apart once, and so I may show some of that video, but I was using my phone to record it. So I've already taken this apart once, figured out what's wrong, ordered the parts, and now I'm here to repair it. But even if you haven't done that, I'm going to show you how to take it apart. So first of all, there's two set screws up here that are Allen's. And you don't have to get them very loose. And then this just pulls off. Now the way, I don't have it with me, the way I found the easy way to pull this off is to don't sit here and grab it and yank, but put a screwdriver in this crack right here, stick it in, twist it, and it'll push this off. It'll be leveraging against this instead of you just yanking on the valve, but I've already taken this off so it's loose. The next thing you're going to do is take this knob off, push it in, and then it'll unscrew. And it's, like I said, it's already loose. I've already taken it off once, but initially when I was trying to take this off, this just kept spinning, so when I pushed it in, it kind of locked it in place, and then I was able to unscrew this. Alright, so the next part, this is what took me a while to figure out how this is being held on. And you look, some online will say it's just friction fit, but if you have this kind, it's not. This and this are two separate pieces, and this actually threads on and is holding this on. So I have one of these rubber belt wrenches, whatever you want to call it, which I would just use this. But if in a pinch, I guess you could wrap some electrical tape around here and use vice grips or something, but that's your own risk. You don't want to scratch this up. But whatever you got to do. Now, mine was hard to get off the first time, or harder than that, but like I've said, I've had this apart once, but I'm just showing you how this comes apart. There. And now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be treating these. This is CLR, calcium lime rust. CLR is the actual brand name. I don't know what it is, but you can see all this water deposits and stuff. And this is we have a water softener, but you know, sometimes it wasn't working for a while, and boy, that little short time it wouldn't work, and we got all this. So you don't have to do this. I'm just doing this because I've got it apart. And these, when you see these on sale at Harbor Freight, they had them on sale I think for $5 or $6. I think I bought like 10. I mean, I spent too much money, but it's so nice being able to have stuff in one of these spray bottles. And these spray bottles actually last. They don't wear out. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is take this shaft off, twist it. Now you'll have to put a pair of pliers on it probably to get it off initially, but don't squeeze. You don't want to squeeze this thing and mash on this. This will come off, just, you know. And then also be careful this. So I don't know what the deal is with this design, but see if I can open it. There, I just pulled it out. Let the water drain. Basically, there was water between here and the shower head. All right, that should be out. So next on mine, you want to find whatever socket this is. On mine, it is a 17 millimeter. Now, the first time I took this off, it was on there. I mean, I thought it was reverse threaded. I was like, because I was going this way like normal loosen, and it wouldn't come off. So I said maybe it's reverse thread for some stupid reason. I tried going the other way, it didn't work. So I tried going back, loosening again, and I mean, I was right on the edge of like stopping, because I'm like, okay, I'm getting ready to spin this thing out of the wall, and then it broke free. So this is the only thing that's wrong. This little seal right here. So when you're pulling on the knob in and out, This thing slides back and forth, and it either sends water up to the, you know, like your sprayer or to the shower. But this is all that's wrong, is this one little gasket, which I've looked for everywhere and I cannot find. So if you're working on one of these and you find this, please post it down, put a comment down there, and I'll pin it. And I'm going to order myself one, because I've got the same fixture in another bathroom, and so you know how stuff works. When one breaks, the other one finds out that this one's getting attention, and it's going to break because it wants attention too. So I'd prefer not have to buy another one of these, because this thing was like $57, and all I really needed was this, but I couldn't find this anywhere. And I'll put the part number for the new one. I'm going to squirt some of this in there. Make sure I don't lose this. This is just to make sure if there's any lime or calcium or anything in there, that I try to get it out. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a towel in here. What I'm going to try to do is turn the water on just a little bit, just to flush some of that CLR out. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but there is water gently flowing. Alright, now I've turned it back off. Now it's just time to put it back together. I didn't bring my Vaseline, but what you can use is if you have some soap. Just something to act as a little bit of a lubricant. And I'll place this in there. So basically the repair is complete. I mean, as far as parts replacement, now we just reassemble. But what I'm going to do, partially assemble this and check it. Okay, and that's it. I'm going to clean this up. That's just getting the lime and stuff off of it, but that's how you replace the diverter. So, and once again, if anybody is able to find this piece right here, as you can see, there's a lip. There should be a lip on the other side too, because it actually should sandwich. Basically, this is kind of shaped like a car tire. And it's like the whole sidewall on this side's missing. But these are just regular O-rings, so you could replace these, this one right here and this one right here. And this is what I couldn't find. I saw a bunch of stuff online that was for like different types of faucets, but I didn't know for sure if it would fit, and so I just wanted to get this thing fixed. But yeah, got any questions, put them below. Hope this helps. See ya.